Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I am so excited because I got an Influenster Voxbox in the mail and I wanted to hop on here and do an unboxing of it. I love Influenster, and when they sent me an email saying that they wanted me to participate in one of their upcoming campaigns and that means they want to send me free products, I was so excited. So I just want to explain a little bit more about what Influenster is in case you're not familiar with it. But so it's an app, and it's basically an app where you can review pretty much anything. You can review makeup products, you can review pet products, you can review retailers, websites, and it's very popular. I've been on Influenster for about a year, I would guess. But so what you do is you attach your social media, and then it kind of gives you a number of how many total followers you have with all of your social media combined. And then you just post reviews, and then you can post kind of pictures to certain campaigns that Influenster is doing, like for example summer hair, and you can post a picture of like your favorite summer hairstyle, and then you can also make connections or like follow people so that you can see their reviews on different products, and then you can ask questions on products and give feedback, and it's just very useful. And this is my third box in 1 year of doing Influenster. I will link down below my first Influencer box, which was basically like a self-care box, and all of the products were so great. I got like nail products, hair products, like skincare, moisturizer, things like that, which were so nice. And then I got a cat food box because I have 2 cats and my cats really loved the food. And this one here, I kind of forget what the kind of theme of this box is, so let's just get into it. And if you want to sign up for Influenster, you basically just download the app. I'm not sure if there's like a friend referral link or anything, but if I can find one, I will put that in the description box, so then you can just click it and go from there. So let's see what I got. Okay, good. It does have this little card here. Oh, this is the Summer Kickoff Voxbox. I love the theme Summer Kickoff. I'm all about this summer weather, and it's finally starting to feel like summer around here, so let's kick it off with these products. Oh, this one here. Okay, this is from Shea Moisture. I'm familiar with that brand. I like that brand. Raw Shea Butter Hydrating Body Lotion for dry skin. Oh my gosh, this is so me, and I go through body lotion so quickly, so I'm always needing new ones. This is so great. Ooh, so I love that this is certified organic, natural and fair trade, cruelty-free, family owned and operated, no parabens, like no sulfates, free of all those bad things. And let's see what it says. And the retail price on this product is only $3.99. So that is great. I love that it's affordable, but it also sounds so nice. So I'm going to be trying out all of these products and then putting my reviews on the Influenster app. Let's see what's next. Ooh, Tend Skin. I have not heard of this brand. I don't know what this is. Solution for ingrown hairs, razor bumps, shaving and waxing. Wow, this is so useful. Oh, and it's a roll-on. That is so neat. Wow, the MSRP on this is $16 for this size right here. So this is the full size version. So this says that it's available at CVS and Amazon. Ooh, I'm so excited to see if this works because my skin is definitely like razor bump prone and sensitive. So this could be a perfect solution for me because I actually have not found a solution to that problem. So I'm very excited about this. The next product I'm gonna pull out. Ooh, oh my gosh. I'm gonna put these on right away. Okay, look at these. These are stick-on nails, and they are just so me. They're pink and sparkly. I may have tried these out before, but not in this color. This is so pretty. And if you watch my videos, you may have noticed that I never paint my nails, and I don't because it's just such a hassle because I hate when they chip, and I use my hands all the time, so my nail polish just doesn't last long. But a product like this is perfect for someone like me because they're not going to chip, And when I tried these before, they lasted me so long. Like I would say at least 2 weeks. And for stick-on nails, I feel like that's so long. Like these have such great sticking power. And if a nail comes off, there's extras in here. So I would just put a different one on, and that helped extend the wear even longer. So these have an MSRP, which is, I believe, merchant suggested retail price of $7.99. It says achieve a one-step gel manicure in minutes with the Impress press-on manicure. Oh, so this is now with new Ultra Fit design, which is slimmer yet stronger, so that's nice. But I love it, they just come pre-sticky, so you just like remove the sticky tab, place them on, and you're good to go. It doesn't get any easier than that, no drying time, so I love this. You'll probably see me wearing these in my upcoming videos. Okay, what else did I get? Ooh, this looks pretty. This is C'est Moi, it's me, Gentle Foaming Cleansing Gel, made for delicate skin. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. I'm actually running low on my current cleanser, so I'm definitely gonna start using this right away. So MSRP of $12. It's a fragrance-free gel cleanser, and it says it gently cleanses without disrupting the skin's delicate moisture balance, and that sounds so good for my sensitive kind of combination skin that can definitely get dry, but I love to use cleansers at least twice a day to take off my makeup and everything, so this will be perfect to work into my routine. And then the last product, I feel like I'm doing like an Ipsium bagging or something with 5 products, but this is a bunch of little products together. What have we got here? Meyer's Clean Day Body Wash. Oh, so I have 3 different scents. I got rainwater, honeysuckle, and basil. Ooh, basil scented body wash. That sounds yummy. Moisturizing essential oils. It says moisturizing body wash refreshes the skin and leaves you feeling oh so clean. Wow, this is so nice. So many awesome self-care products. So I have a body wash, I have a face cleanser, I have the ingrown hair solution, I got the moisturizer, and the press-on manicure. So this is so exciting. All products that I'm definitely going to use, and that are just going to make me feel so pampered and clean and fresh, which I love. I'm all about that. So thank you so much to Influenster for sending me this. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products and what your thoughts were on them. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I upload a new video every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time of me trying a new makeup product. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.